To pick up and handle objects smoothly, robotic hands need to feel the world, just like human fingertips do. To solve this, we created a new kind of 3D force sensor, capable of measuring force and direction, while also detecting slippage and surface texture. The secret lies in tiny sensing units, each just 200 micrometers in size. Thanks to their pyramid shape, any touch changes the pressure on 4 contact points at the base. This specific pressure pattern tells the sensor exactly which way the force is coming from. Inside the sensor's porous material, tiny nickel particle chains are bridged by liquid metal and graphene, creating a directional conductive network. This creates a highly focused electrical pathway, making the sensor incredibly sensitive to a push from one direction while rejecting interference from others. Soon, this technology could give nursing robots, precision robotic arms, and smart prosthetic limbs a truly realistic sense of touch.